Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Make Money with Kings. Right here in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get a free instant funded account that you can start to use to trade and that you can be able to withdraw from. But before I start, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, make sure that you subscribe and like this video for more videos like this, alright? So as you can see right here on the screen, it is clear that you can be able to get it for free without you purchasing it. And as you can see, the total account distribution is $500,000 and the total participant is 2,707. So this is it. It's not a lot of people that have heard about this free funded account. That is why I'm taking my time to explain it. Now, guys, I want you to watch this video carefully because I don't want you to make any mistake that can terminate this process. All right, so once you've gotten to, in order for you to get to this interface right here on the screen, all you have to do is to click on the link in the description of this video and also in the comment section. Once you've clicked on the link, you'll be taken to my Telegram channel, and in my Telegram channel, that is where you'll be getting the link to be able to get this account, the link to this website right here on the screen. So once you've clicked on it, this is where you'll be taken to, and as you can see, all you have to do is to click on participate now. Now there are some tasks that you have to perform. These tasks are not points, but they are little tasks that you have to perform in order for you to participate and get a free funded account. Mind you, you can be able to withdraw from this particular free funded account. So let me show you how it works before we start. So scroll down. As you can see, the first step you have to take is to create a new account or login if you have already created one. Complete all 5 tasks. Select proof files for each task. Submit your participation. Eligible users receive a free instant funded account while the promotion allocation is available. So now all you have to do now is for you to carry out the tasks that are required. So step 1, your account. You have to create an account, and if you already have one, just log into your account. So now let's create an account. Click on create account, and immediately you click on it, this is where you'll be taken to. All you have to do is to enter your first name, enter your full name, enter your email address. Make sure that your email address is active. Guys, make sure you stick to the end of this video, right? So once you've entered your full name, enter your active email address, enter your password, and enter your password again. Now you have to come down to this place to verify that you're a human. So now let me first do my own, and I will get back to you shortly. I seriously don't have a problem with you not watching this video, but the problem is if you don't watch this video and you go ahead to claim it yourself, don't come back to me to ask me for anything if you terminate the account. That's the only issue I have, alright? So once you are done, just click on create account. As you can see, creating account. So as you can see right here on the screen, the account has been successfully created, and the member, this is the day you joined. As you can see, the total account is 0 right now. The active account is 0. The pending account is 0. So now let me show you how you can actually get funded. So let me show you. All you have to do is to scroll down, click on this dashboard click on this 3 line beside the dashboard up here. So click on it. Immediately you click on it, click on rewards and tax. So immediately you click on rewards and tax, as you can see. So for example now, in order for you to be able to get this 5k instant flex account, it is actually free, as you can see. And guess what, you can be able to claim this point. It is very different from the other ones. Just give it a try, and as you can see, the only point required is 50 points. So if you want to go for this free 5k instant flex account, I will show you how to get it. But if you also want to go for this one, this 10k instant account, this 10k, I will show you how to get it. If you also want to go, as you can see, there are a lot of accounts right here. So now how can you actually get these 50 coins in order for you to be able to purchase this free 5k and other account for free? This is how. Click on tax right here. There is tax right here. So click on it. Immediately you click on it. So the first thing you have to do is, as you can see, buy 5 accounts. That's 25 points. Buy 5 accounts. No, this is not the one we are here for, right? This is not the one we are here for. So let's go for the one we are here for. This one is required requires deposit, but the one we are here for does not require deposit. So let's go for the one that does not require deposit. All you have to do now is for you to go back to the first interface after you've clicked on the link in my Telegram channel. And don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. So after you've clicked on it, now that you've registered, the next thing for you to do is for you to step two, for you to join an official Telegram channel. Now, these plays are very important. Pay attention, please. So click on open and complete. So immediately you click on it, you'll be taken to somewhere like this. Let's hold on for it to load. I don't want to fast forward anything because I want you guys to be able to see it for yourself. So come to this place, click on join. Immediately you've joined, take a screenshot of it. Now that you've joined, go back to this place and click on select proof. Immediately you click on select proof, you are to upload upload the screenshot you just took right now. So upload it right now. So now that you've uploaded it, as you can see, task ready, task completed. So now join Payout Telegram. So click on open and complete. So let's go. I'm going to be showing you the full details you have to know about it. I'm going to be showing you. So you'll be taken to somewhere like this again. Click on join. This one is the payout group. So take a screenshot again. Take a screenshot. You might want to face a difficult situation. So make sure you watch this video carefully, all right? Because I'm going to be showing you everything you need. As you can see, this one is already done. So let's go to the next one. Follow them on X. Follow them on X. If you don't have X, quickly go and download it right now. Go and download it. So make sure you also take a screenshot. So come back to this place right here. Click on select proof to verify and let them know that it is legit that you have truly subscribed. So now over here, just make sure you follow them on YouTube. So let's go to their YouTube and check what it looks like. So subscribe to their YouTube, take a screenshot, come back to this interface right here. Not this one, not this one. Where are we just coming from? Where are we coming from? So once you are done, the next thing for you to do is for you to review this trust pilot, all right? So click on it. So immediately you click on it, this is where you'll be taken to. Now pay attention right here because there are some things you have to do. Now write a review about them. Write a very good review about them. You can just type, I love this platform. You can just give them, rate them well. I'm going to give them full star. I'm going to say, this platform is great. So you are to submit the review after select the day of experience. So select it, click on this and click on submit review. So immediately you click on submit review, just take the screenshot of the review you just took. All right, just take the screenshot. So immediately you take the screenshot, go back to the platform where you are just coming from. All right, go back there. So once you get to this place, just click on select proof and upload the screenshot you just took. Upload it and click on verify human. Click on verify human. So let me just do mine finish and I'll get back shortly. So after you are done with everything, just click on participate now, right? Click on participate now. As you can see now, I'm all done. So click on participate now and it is already submitting. So hold on a little bit. Participation submitted successfully. So now as you can see, I've already been able to join. So now the next thing for you to do is for you to wait for their message. As you can see, 5/5 completed. You just have to keep on doing the same thing because it's going to be going up and down, up and down. There are some ups and there are some downs. So you have to just face it, all right? So if you go to your email, your login details will be sent to you when the account is available. Your login details will be sent to you. If you go to your email, once it is available, you'll see your login details here and more information on the platform. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. Have a great day.